Vargo BOT is easily stored in the do-it-yourself cozy that I have made. I keep it in the cozy inside my food bag. When I pack it out, it's just an easy process of assembly. I always use the base plate. It's an aluminium base plate that weighs 10 grams. I support leave no trace principles. The Pothugger windshield itself just clips into itself. I keep all the loose contents in a little treadlight gear bag. The two support pins made from titanium are easy to put into place. There's two of them. The little 20mm burner is easy to use. Just screw the lid off, put some fluid into it and light, and that's it. Just put the windshield in place. Place the Vargo BOT on the windshield, and you can see that it just slides down and sits on top of the support pins. And Bob's your uncle. Cup of coffee. I like using this little folding cup, and it holds 200 mils. I use it as a measuring cup, even though there is measurements on the Vargo pot. But it's quite handy and it fits straight into the pot. So tonight's dinner is some beef curry with vegetables. You can see this one here. This is a black bean that I've dehydrated. I've got peas, peppers, carrot, should be nice. So I let it rehydrate for about 1 hour, and now I've boiled it, and then I'll put it in this cozy I've got here. That's the bottom and that's the top, and I'll let it sit in the cozy for about 15 minutes, and then it'll be ready to eat. Thanks for watching and listening. If you've got any questions, just look down in the comments. I've written one article about this system with the Storm & Stove Systems Pothugger titanium windshield, and I've also written a full review about the Vargo BOT-700, using it together with a gas stove. I'll leave both links down in the comments, and please comment if you've got any questions. I'll catch you later.